We are back with the ProSafe RS application in fire and gas. So in this example, I explained everything regarding this example fire zone. Now in part 2, we focus on the function test of the infrared detectors. Infrared detectors. For infrared detectors, we need to have two high. We need to have two high. Signals in order to generate the trip. So two high signals. This is one and this is the second. So we have the IRGD shutdown from IRGDs. So this is the uh, visualization. We have two IRGDs. It's possible for us to perform inhibition. Let me do the inhibition for IRGD zone 1 IRGDs, and in that case we need to enable the inhibition. It's a key in the control panel or anywhere that the maintenance team should have access. The authorized member of that team should enable the permit to inhibition when it's inhibited, and when it's inhibited, the trip signals will be 0. We inhibit one of those faulty IRGs. We handle, we maintain, we change some cartridge and anything inside that infrared detections, and shutdown is getting false. So let us so two high will generate the trip signals. So two high will generate the trip. Let me remove the inhibition. Everything is getting to normal, back to normal. Everything is normal. The next part, we need to check the next scenario. Two high, one high, one faulty, and one high. So let us check. One faulty, one high. So and one high, like 100. So this is the trip signal. Let me return everything to normal. The next part, if we have three faulty, we have the shutdown. If you have three faulty channels, we have the shutdown. It's similar to the flame detection application. If you have a three high, we have the shutdown. So if number of faulty channels and number of high signals, if the total number is more than 3, we generate the shutdown. So let me return the signal, the IRGD2 to normal. So shutdown is getting normal, and instead of let me make this IRGD1 is also getting normal. So we have one high alarm in IRGD3. I have a channel trouble in IRGD6 and another channel trouble in IRGD4. So two trouble channel faulty channels, two faulty chain, and one high alarm, and we have the shutdown here. Very simple. The programming is very similar to the flame detection. We do the decision making by processing the alarm, generating the high, and channel health, and we compare with the we implement the program with the philosophy here and the function test here. You have access to the projects, and you can add IRGDs, flame detectors, change the scenarios, and perform the function test. So I stop the video here and we move to the next step.